Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Archos Core 57S to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and download application to transfer data. So we are going to use application name Cloned. So let's get it. Let's click install and do the same on the second device. Okay, right now we can open also on our Archos, and here you have to accept all of the permissions that pops on your screen. Click sender on Archos, tap set, click on the switcher, then just go back, click sender one more time, and on the Android phone you have to tap receiver, click search again, click on this icon, accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data from your Archos, you have to click on all of these icons like that, and after that click start. But it's only example, so I will go below for the details and I will probably send some photos. So just wait until it finishes loading all the stuff. But whatever, I can take, for example, this picture, so select, click start. And as you can see, the transfer is finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.